Hi people, this is the plan for today. Now, see, I have this compressor from Dobinson's, pretty good, quite fast. I've used it regular basis and it's pretty good. I definitely do recommend it. Now, it's a mobile unit. I usually take it connected in the front with an alligator plug. Okay. Now, luckily, I have last time had added a connection for the back for the fridge unit. So in case when I use my fridge, I can connect it with an Anderson plug. Now the idea is to cut these alligator clips off and add the female side as an Anderson plug and connect it with this so that I can keep this unit in the box right here and it will reach all the four wheels, so I don't have to take it to the front, do all that drama. So let's try. Let's see if it's gonna work. It should work, yeah, because this is a direct power cable, I think 10 amps from the battery, so it's going to be perfect. I think that was a wise choice. All right, let's see. So I've chopped the cables. The alligator clips have been chopped. Now, always make sure everything is black in this. So negative, you kind of mark it. I've just put a tape, so that you don't mess up the connection again. Now, it's very simple. You just put this through this hole and crimp it. I don't have a crimper, so I would use a cutting plier. And let's see how it goes. Now, the plugs have been connected. It's fairly easy. Don't forget to tape it. So it doesn't matter any compressor what you have. You can do that. Now, the moment of truth. It needs to be connected here. Hold on. Alright, so it's been connected. Now it's a fairly easy job. It's a 50 amps fuse, Anderson plug. Now I've just taped it, and make sure you bend it twice before inserting it to the plug points, and as you insert it you would hear a click. Now, moment of truth. This positive, negative, it will not go the other way around. So you kind of connect this. It's fairly easy. Just plug it in. There's a strong connection. There's no loose contact. Yeah, so it's connected. Now let's see the moment of truth, if it's gonna work or it's gonna blast. I think it's gonna work. Hey, it's working. That's a very nice choice, because I'm going to keep this compressor right here, and then I can reach all four wheels without fiddling around. And even if I want to air up, I can use it. Alright, have fun. You could try too. Now this would help a lot with cleaning too, as you go to the sort of bodies. So we can see that the cable is there. I can put the pressure is quite good enough. That's the job. The workshops where I asked them to fix it to the vehicle, they were charging me more than the cost of this compressor. Now that doesn't make sense, right? And people want to sell me another compressor where it's easy to fix. Why would I do that? This works absolutely fine, and it's not a cheap brand, okay? Even the other ones are made in China. This might be made in China, but it's an Australian brand. So I would definitely recommend. This is a great solution. Quick, inflate, deflate option. No, less drama, more of an action, yeah? I'm that kind of a guy. Alright. So try this. If you guys like it, good. If you don't like it, very good. All right. Now this is a test. Say I've reduced the air, I've filled a bit, but again it's working brilliant. That's the connection. It comes from there. It's close by. And for the front wheels, it's a little longer, but I have a 10-meter hose, so that's fine. Now you switch it on, and it's working. Yeah. So it's pretty fast. It goes, I think, less than 2 minutes, 1.5 minutes. If it is the Wadi drive, I put it in 22 to 24, so it's quick. So already there, done. 2.5 bar is what we want, and that's 2.5 bar. Perfect, done. And these alligator clips are really good. Do not throw this away. What you do is you buy another 50 amps fuse, or sorry, Anderson plug, and connect it to this. So what you do is you connect this to this at any time you want to connect it to another card. So save this. You would need it. Or in Amazon, there are so many options of buying alligator to Anderson. So there is an option, but here this quality is good, so I'll save it and I'll keep it. All right, quick tip, it works.